Hey, let's talk about your crown. It's pointing at the sun while you wanna lay it down. Oh, you turn heads every time you walk around. Mine too, not to love when you take them down. You spend about an hour just so you can detangle. Girl, I see the struggle, got your head at every angle.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is 12:30 and I've been up since 7 o'clock this morning. I am beat. But quick intro just to let y'all know, in this video I'm gonna just be showing y'all how I fluffed my hair. The last video, honey, I did not like the style, so I had to get off camera and do the fluffing off camera. This one I recorded as I fluffed it. This is actually day 5 from that. What I'm getting ready to show y'all. I've been doing the same process as in the previous video before in my 5-day morning and night routine, but this time I have been using this baby right here, Talia Waheed Hydrating Curl Shine, instead of my concoction. Quick 360 if anybody wants to see how my hair came out this time, since I didn't use my concoction. I used the Talia Waheed stuff. To start off, I'll just be needing my hair ties, my hair clamp, Afro pick, and an oil of my choice. I loosened out most of my twists. I don't do anything special, but I got a couple up here. I'm just gonna show y'all what I do. So I did oil my roots with wild growth, and then y'all know I got my oil I just put on my hair before I loosen them out. I already did that. So all I have to do is twist it in the opposite direction, separate it, and pull. These twists were only in my hair for 4 days. So, honey, they are juicy. I didn't have to do a lot of moisturizing because I did all that when I put my twist in, so. I'm just feeling through my hair to make sure I didn't miss any twists. Some days, like 2 or 3 days later, after I loosened my twist out, I discovered 3 twists. All I'm gonna do is just start at the bottom, put this part up and out the way, get this up and out the way. And I'm just going to fish through my hair to try to see where I can separate it at. All I do is find where it naturally separates and just kind of run my fingers down it. I don't know if y'all can see that. It naturally separates, then I pull that apart. So like, this is a good one. This one, I'll run my fingers down it. It's naturally separating right here, pull that apart. So I'm going to do that all down here. Lift my roots, and we're gonna move on to the next row and do the same thing. This is a good one. See how it separates? how to work this middle part. Okay, so I did some more separating off camera. I can just see better in that mirror and the lighting's better. But this is what I have so far. And by the end of the day, it will get bigger. I wish I hadn't separated it that much because it will get bigger. I'm going out of town this weekend, so I will try to take pictures as much as possible. And I'll try to record something for y'all so y'all can see how this holds up. I don't know. I might get rid of this middle part and flip it. We'll see. Anyway, bye. I hated that middle part, so I got rid of it again. One day I'll be able to rock it. I think I'll like it on like day 3. My hair is just too flat on day 1. Did not get to record like how I wanted to, but these are some snippets from my snap over the course of 5 days. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.